guys, what's up? Today is just a quick video of me packaging some jewelry orders for my online store. So if you want to see how I do that, then just keep watching the video. Okay, so what you see me doing here is just putting the box inside some bubble wrap. I do this to keep it very secure because it is jewelry. Anything fragile, I would suggest for you to do this too when you are shipping, because these carriers, they are very rough and you don't want the product to break before it gets to the customer. So bubble wrapping is very good. Okay, and this is just something I like to do, is writing down a person's name just so I can remember what is what when I'm doing, more than one order, so I don't get confused. By the way, most of my packaging material is from Amazon, so yeah, you guys should go look into that. So now what I'm doing is putting the box inside of the pink tissue paper. I actually do this for more security as well. Guys, so we are all finished here. There's 3 orders that need to be shipped. The other 2 bags that you see are local orders. Local orders are orders that I personally deliver in my vehicle, but you guys are just gonna ride me to the post office, then we'll be all finished here. If you want to see more videos, just like, comment, and subscribe.